Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So y'all, today is Friday. As you can tell, today is going to be a little vlog. I haven't done a vlog in so long, but I actually enjoy doing vlogs and I kind of want to like get back into it. So yeah, today is Friday, June the 4th, I believe. I had such a good workout today, y'all. I have been slacking on working out, so I have been getting back into it. So this is like day 3 for me, y'all. So yeah, let me tell y'all what I actually got in the mail, because I want to know, did y'all shop the Skims semi-annual sale or biannual sale or whatever it was? Let me know if y'all shopped that. I got me a couple of things, y'all. Girl, I was on the site at exactly, I think it was like 10. I was on there exactly at 10 o'clock. And did I get everything that I wanted? Did not. Did not. So I was rushing so fast, y'all, that I actually bought items that were not even on her sale list. Like, if y'all know how the website is, she has like an actual section of like the actual sale. Girl, I was not on it. Like, I was just moving too fast. I got 5 pairs of underwear, y'all. 3 for $36 when I could have just got the 5 for $35. Yeah, I was just doing the most. But why is it so dark? Kim's underwear is really good. If y'all, oh my gosh, if y'all don't try anything else from Skims, I highly suggest you try her underwear, because they are really good. Specifically the ones that is the fit everybody. It's like that one is the one that I was really wanting to get, the fits everybody, but they sold out of that, y'all. So I had to try some new underwear that I never tried. But I think these are called the free cut mid-waist bikini. This material feels just like the fits everybody. So that's one thing that I really do like, is that stretchy material, that really soft material. Doesn't have like that lining in it or anything. It honestly feels like you have nothing on. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep these, and I get a size large in all of my little undies. I got me 5 pairs of this underwear, and this one is called the Cheeky Brief. So I have on a pair right now, and I'm gonna be honest, I kind of don't like the cut of these. I like how they feel, but I don't really like the cut. So I got the color copper, and y'all, they're so high-waisted, like it's giving very much coochie cutters, okay? Like it's gonna be up in there. So low-key, it's like wedgie vibes, and your coot is gonna be out a little bit, because you see how high cut this is. Like, Kimmy, no. But I do, honestly, that's the only complaint that I have, is that they're like coochie cutters. But I like the way these feel. They feel just like the fits everybody. I just love that soft material. And then it also has like on them these little grip things. And then I just got me a bodysuit. I don't know what color this is, y'all. I think this is the color Sienna. Yeah, Sienna. And this is the one that's like, I don't want to say, I don't know what this is. Y'all, I don't even know where my stuff is at. Where's my receipt? Oh, here it is. Because I'm going to tell y'all the exact. Okay, so this is the Fits Everybody Tank bodysuit. So yeah, I'm not a bodysuit girl, but I love Kim's bodysuits for some reason. Like, I don't know. Just everything Skims. Okay.
You see me do me dirt. That's something about that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, my ta. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You know what, that was you the nicest. Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the crisis. I believe down in your dreams like a red light. You took my heart, I'ma give you my business. You took my heart, I'ma leave a decoration. You sticking with love, I'm for you, my foundation. All I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and then
Hey y'all, so I just want to come in here and tell y'all what I'm about to be doing. So as y'all can see, I'm about to basically wash and condition my hair, but I'm also going to be doing this Alpha-G treatment. And y'all, this treatment is so good. I get this from Sally's Beauty. This really helps strengthen my hair because in a couple of weeks, I'm going to be getting me some knotless braids. So we just want to make sure that my natural hair is strong. So yeah, that's basically what I'm about to be doing. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and get started in our day because we got things to do.
Better say my name. The other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Say my name.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin' 10? It's a little bit later. So as y'all saw, I did like my whole little wash day routine. I cleaned up. So it is the next day. Today is Saturday, June the 4th. So yeah, I really have been loving how I've been doing my hair lately. I've been what is it called? Like brain freeze. What is this called? I can't even think of it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. This right here. So I've been drying my roots lately and just stretching out my hair, and I feel like it looks so much better, y'all, because my hair just looks like more fuller, more, I don't know, I just think I like the big fluffed out moments. I feel like, because I feel like when I wear my natural hair I look like a little kid, but this does not make me look like that. So yeah, we're about to head out to run some errands. I need to get some grocery, y'all. I'll tell you, I'll be going to the grocery store literally like once a week. But I'm just trying to get up out of here so I can go ahead and get going, because it's like 2:24 right now. I wanted to leave at like 2:30, so I have like 6 minutes to spare. So I just wanted to come in here and talk to y'all. But yeah, I'm really loving my hair. How do y'all feel about this hair? If y'all want to know what I use in my hair, I literally use the same product. So make sure to check out my natural hair videos. So yeah, girl, we're just getting ready to go. Let me put a perfume on. Yeah, I really want to go smell some perfumes. Like, I don't know, I kind of want to get a Tom Ford perfume because I've seen one on Ulta, but I never smelled it, so I don't know how it smells. Because y'all, we got like 2.5 weeks until my birthday. My birthday is June 21st. Shout out to the Cancers, period. Or if you're a Gemini, shout you out too. Okay. So yeah, I'm just I'm going on vacation. I'm so excited. But I'm just spraying my replica. This is the coffee break one. It smells so good. So yeah, let's get ready to be out. Let me show you what I got on. Real simple and basic. Okay, this is my grocery store outfit. So I just have on this white shirt, and then I have on my Skims. These are the outdoor collection. Y'all, the outdoor collection is such good quality. Like, I really love the biker shorts. Like, they're bomb. So if y'all don't have anything from that collection, get the biker shorts because they're bomb. So yeah, let's get up out of here. And I will see y'all once I get to the grocery store. We're going to do a little montage. And I might go to Home Goods. I don't know. We're going to see where the day takes us. But I will see y'all a little bit later. It looks regular. Let me find out I got my camera cropped up correctly. Yeah, that's cute. It does look kind of faded. We're in Target. Period. Yeah, those are too short. We're in Target looking at some clothes. I'm kind of excited to see what's in their home decor, because I haven't been over there in a long time. Yeah. I haven't been over there in a little minute.
Yeah, but these are cute little shirts.
What was it?
Oh no, that's good.
Oh Lord, sorry. I gonna come up close to you.
I don't like the V-neck.
I like that green. That green.
That's what I thought I was gonna like until I saw the neck.
Oh.
The neck is just too deep. Look. I don't like that.
Oh, man, you don't want to show them titties.
Well, I don't have a problem with that, but I just don't like it.
Yeah.
I think these are cute.
You gotta go all the way in the back.
Sure got it last week though.
Let me see. Yeah, it's cute. I wonder if that's on sale.
That's why I'm going to go scan this thing right now.
Yeah. What is scanner at? Oh, it's right there.
I think these are cute.
Oh, that's cute too. That's a set. That'll be cute at the
That's
beach.
big.
Okay. Oh. What is it? Scan the shorts.
I should have got them last week.
Yeah. Do you have any things on your Target circle?
$2.70.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak. Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a move this wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got, this wet ass pussy. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a kill, what is inside? Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. This pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. That's
Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. So I just got back home. I'm trying to think, did I even really get anything? Like, I don't think that I did. I just got like some grocery and stuff, and I already put that up. It's nothing special, y'all. Like, I would show y'all. I don't know if y'all really care about stuff like that, but it's honestly nothing special. But I did get me some more moisturizer from Ulta. I forgot to vlog while I was in there, y'all. But I just got me my little Clinique Moisture Surge. This is what I use. This is like the best moisturizer ever, in my opinion. It's so good. It's moisturizing, okay? Like, it doesn't give you that greasy feel. Like, it's just really good. So yeah, I got me some brownies because I was craving something sweet. I'm like, what can I make? So I'm about to make some brownies. And I just got the Betty Crocker brand. I love brownies that have walnuts in them. Like, if it doesn't have a walnut, don't talk to me. I don't want you, okay? So yeah, I got the one that has walnuts in it. So I'm just gonna make this tonight for a little late night snack. I honestly don't need this, but I want it, so it's like, yeah. I kind of want to go to the gym tomorrow, so I'm really trying to debate, y'all, if I should go to the gym tomorrow or should I just work out at home. Because I've been working out at home this week, and it's been pretty good, y'all. Like, the workouts have been intense. I've been doing Girl with Joe. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but Girl with Joe, she has a really good workout videos. If y'all are just getting into working out, she has like really good workout videos, y'all. Because I'm that girl that goes to the gym and don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm honestly thinking about taking another Pilates class. I'm thinking about signing up for their little membership. They have like a little deal going on. I think it's like 5 classes for $79. Yeah, I feel like that's expensive because honestly the gym memberships be like $40 for a whole month, like unlimited. Pilates, she's expensive, but I really miss it, so I'm thinking about doing it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and make my little brownies, and yeah, I don't know what else I'm doing tonight. Probably nothing. Yeah, y'all, my life is honestly boring. Like, it's kind of boring. That's why I don't be vlogging like that, because I feel like girl, I don't be doing nothing, okay? So yeah, that's what this night is about to consist of. I'm about to make my little brownies. I'm probably gonna watch a movie. But yeah, y'all, so that's the vibes for tonight. My hair still looks pretty good, y'all. Like, it's getting so long. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. I might do some skincare tonight. I don't know. I need to get some stuff from Sephora, so I might need to order that tonight. But yeah, y'all, I'm just a little tired, and it's only 9 o'clock. Like, girl. But anyway, enough of me talking. I'm gonna see y'all a little later tonight. If not tonight, then I'll probably see y'all tomorrow.
Make me love you if I don't. You can't make me love you if I won't. Yeah, you can't change my heart. You're trying too hard. You can't make me love you. No, I won't. No. See, don't hit me with the interview. Asking all the questions. You don't have to call. I don't want